My name is Jesus Lopez with Lopez Performance cars. We're in San Bernardino, California at our shop here. I always loved cars at an early age, wanting to fix up my own cars that I would drive to school. But this Lopez Performance started with one of my friends who wanted me to build him a car. I would always build cars for my dad or for our own personal stuff, but this guy approached me, Caesar, with the '69 Camaro, and he wanted us to build him that car. I had never built one for a client, so I said, sure, let's do it. And we took it to SEMA 2019, and after that, things kind of just blew up for me. This is our third year that we're going to SEMA, and every year we just keep getting and bringing bigger and better cars. So we're just getting started. We haven't even shown what we're really capable of yet. I'm excited because we have a lot of new machinery that we've introduced to our shop and more that's coming in. So sky's the limit really for us. So the '69 Camaro you see behind me is called Illicit. This project started with Junior Villarreal and his wife Celeste approached us after seeing the Grim Camaro that we built. What's really cool about this '69 Camaro is that we have a 427 Dart LSX block with the 2.9 Whipple supercharger, and all the fuel system is provided by Aeromotive. We're a few days out here from the show. We got plenty of work to do. My guys are, working long hours to get this stuff done, but we're excited to unveil this car in the Aeromotive Petronics booth. The whole process of the SEMA show is a lot easier now that you've done it, several times. So it's always nerve-wracking, trailering one of these cars to the show, but at the end of the day, this is what we live for. If you have a project that you want to do, just start it. I was always afraid of going off on my own until I just decided to take the leap, and it's been great for me ever since. My personal advice for somebody who wants to get into this business is lose that fear, jump into that project that you want to do. And obviously, SEMA is a great platform, a great show experience to bring out those projects for the first time. I want to thank Sean Smith because it all started with his vision. Once he gave us the vision on paper, it was our job to make that happen. So I'm excited for everybody to see this at SEMA 23. We made it to SEMA 23. As you can see behind me, the Camaro's done. We had a week to finish this project and all my team just killed it. Special shout out to all my team and everybody involved. We also want to thank Aeromotive Group for having us in their booth and supplying us with great parts. And we're extremely excited for everybody to see the car. We put a lot of time and effort in this, so it's nice to get everybody's reaction.